Okay, so here we are with the Western Digital SiliconEdge Blue. All in allocated space. 256 gigabytes showing up as 238.5. Of course, that's a marketing gimmick done a long time ago. There are actually 8 bits in a byte, 1024 bytes in a kilobyte. It scales all the way up, so there's 1024 kilobytes in a megabyte, 1024 megabytes in a gigabyte, etc. ad nauseum. 256, 123, 123, 123, divided by 1024 equals, look at that, getting closer, divided by 1024 equals, one more time, divided by 1024 equals, look at that, 238.418. So it's not even 238.5. Well, in actuality, most likely what's happened is it's not quite 256,000 bytes, it's a little bit higher. So that's where we get 238.41. If it was 256 trillion bytes even, it would actually be 238.41, whereas Windows is showing it as 238.5. I'm going to hit next, just like last time, and start the timer. Okay, so next and start. And we're copying Windows files, and we'll see you when that's done. And there's the timer, by the way. 7 seconds, expanding. Okay, so the install is almost done. We're at 1346, 1348, there you go. I had the same problem as I did with the Western Digital. I didn't have the product key up anymore, so I had to go ahead and redo the product key again. Now Windows is loaded and we're at 1530. I'm going to go ahead and install drivers now. Okay, here's the final reboot. 2422. Not much faster. Got both screens like last time. A little bit, but not much faster. So we're going to go ahead and skip this. And that's it. We're done. So 2436. Okay, so here's the pass mark results. Really interesting. Kind of in line with the reviews I've read. The original pass marker result we did was 1967.4, and it's on here, it's the first one. This one only came up at 1949.9, which is 0.9% less. So CPU mark just really doesn't matter. 2D graphics mark, again, about the same. 3D graphics mark, about the same. Memory mark, about the same. Disk mark, here's where your problems come in. The combined disk mark for the original system was 813.1 with the Velociraptor. With the SiliconEdge, it's 787.8. Serious problem, huh? Where this drive shines is the random seek plus read-write, which was 32.9 megabytes per second versus 4.52 for the Velociraptor. But it falls on the other two tests. On the sequential read, we only got 99.8, which was 17% less than the 117, and 85.1 for the sequential write, which was 21.6% less than the 103.5. Basically, it's a great drive. It's solid state. If you want solid state, that's great. It's got the Western Digital 3-year warranty. If you're looking for sheer performance and not just the fact that it's solid state and it boasts 170 write and 240 read, then maybe another SSD drive's for you. But that's been the review of the Western Digital SiliconEdge Blue compared with the Western Digital Velociraptor 300 gigabyte.